Namaste students. I JVN Jyoti Vedic, Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Now we discuss about magnetic field, the force with which a magnetic poles of a magnet attract or repels another magnetic poles of another magnet is called as magnetic force. The space or region around a magnet within which magnetic force is exerted on other magnets is called magnetic field of the magnet. Definition of magnetic field: the space or region around a magnet or a current carrying wire within which its influence can be felt or magnetic force is experienced by another magnet is called magnetic field. It is denoted by B to locate the magnetic field of a bar magnet. We use iron filling or a magnetic compass. When a magnetic compass is too far away for a magnet, it is not deflected. However, when a magnetic compass is closer to the magnet, it is deflected. So the space or region around a magnet within which a magnetic compass is deflected is known as magnetic field or the bar magnetic in the field. A magnetic field is represented by a series of lines of or paths around a magnet. These lines represent the path of an emergently independent pole. If it were allowed to move freely in the direction of magnetic force. Definition of magnetic field: line the path, strength or curve along which unit north pole move in a magnetic field. If free to do so, is called magnetic field. Magnetic field: area around a magnet where the magnetic force could affect other objects. Use of magnet: magnetic line of force or magnetic field. Line area helpful to show the direction and strength of a magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field at any particular space is the direction in which the north pole of a magnetic compass needle points of placed at that point. The strength of a magnetic field is shown by how too much close these lines are to each other in their respective manner. Strong and weak magnetic field. दो तरीके की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है. One is strong and second is weak. Strong magnetic field: if magnetic fields are very close to each other in a particular region, then the strength of magnetic field in that field is very large or the magnetic field is strong. Weak magnetic field: if the magnetic field lines are far away from each other in a particular region, then the strength of the magnetic field in that region is very small or magnetic field is weak. Type of magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field is said to be uniform. It, it's, if its magnitude it equal and direction is same at every point in the space or that particular region. Non-uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field is said to be non-uniform magnetic field if its magnitude is not equal and direction is not same at every point in the space. Properties of magnet field lines. Magnetic fields are closed, continuous curves. Magnetic field line emerge from magnet at end pole and entire the magnet at S pole, North Pole or South Pole. The, the tangent at any point on the magnetic field line give the direction of the magnetic field at that point. No two magnetic field line can interact, insert each other. Magnetic field line are crowded in a region of weak magnetic field. हमने मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को पढ़ा किस तरीके से मैग्नेट्स हमारे चारों ओर रहती है. Thank you. Hope you satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.